Happy Halloween. Welcome to Tattooed Nerd. I'm rocking the Halloween shirt, $12 at Marshall's. So I figured I couldn't go wrong. I could wear it one time and one time only, and it'll do me good. Happy Halloween. It's going to be a dreary day down here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're expecting rain starting about 5 o'clock, so the kiddos are already upset. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. 50, 60% chance, and then it gets more as the day goes on. I wanted to talk about a little bit about lighting today. Halloween lighting. I'm rocking some Halloween lighting. I'm actually gonna. It's a little purple on the Prezi presentation, so I'm gonna switch it to my regular camera. My regular camera has just the regular lighting. I'm going to swap this out. I'm going to show you a couple different things today. I'm going to show you the way I lit up the room is really what we're going to do. Is there's three different ways. Is you have the lighting right here, right above me. This is the Elgato light strip right here. This is the Elgato light strip. I think I paid $39, brand new $39. There is not a used one. Sometimes you can get over here on the right side and get some used ones. I don't see. Yeah, there's not going to be any used ones here. But the Elgato light strip is a specialized LED light strip that allows you to not have any flicker. If you've used any LED lights in your lighting when you're doing videos, it flickers, right? So this Elgato one allows you to take advantage of the light strip, and then what you can do is you can pick any color, right? So today I'm sporting some green right here, and I can control the brightness. So I got a little green going, and then to complement that, I also have purple. So what I did was from the purple is I actually. Let me see if I got my, see, you can see the green really good right there. Looks pretty good. Then I went to, I got this Phillips Hue Bloom. I think, $63. I did not pay that. I paid half of that because I got it used. You can save a couple of bucks. Well, not really. It's the exact same price. Apparently you can save a couple of bucks there. So then on my phone, I don't know if there's a desktop app, but maybe there is. On my phone, I can control the purple. So here, I can show you. I'm going to show the Brio camera here. And right here, you can see it. Well, can you even see it's purple? Well, you have to trust me. It's purple. it's purple. And what that allows me to do is obviously add some different lighting to the backdrop. But obviously add some entertainment value to the video as well. And I didn't spend a ton of money on it. If you're like me, you're in Zoom meetings all the time. And I literally have Zoom colors in the back for when I'm in a Zoom meeting. And then for the holidays, I'll probably switch it up to, like green and red for Christmas. And I could switch it up to orange and purple today. I might switch that up later. But it's a cool way to really add some effects to your next Zoom meeting. So it's not just... Well, I mean, again, you could do virtual backgrounds, which is great. That's fantastic. I like to use Prezi backgrounds as well, these overlays, and I change the color to do purple and green here. That way I could just add a little something to my Zoom meeting, right? It's not the same backdrop all the time. And I have a pretty cool backdrop. I put a lot of effort into making it look kind of cool. So anyway, I hope it works. Happy Halloween, everybody.